Hi, I'm Dar with HELIA here in Calgary, and this is the top 3 reasons to use HELIA for your technology infrastructure. So the first one is we're nearby. We're located in the Foothills Industrial Park here in southeast Calgary, just off Barlow and Glenmore. So it's really easy for us to come out and see you, or for you to come and see us. Our contact information is, of course, here on the side of the screen, and so we're easy to get a hold of. Number 2 is that we've been around for a long time. We've been here since 2006, servicing customers in Calgary. So it's over 10 years now, and we expect to be here for a long time. So we're dependable and reliable. Now, the third reason, I think, is that we do technology binders. Now, you'll see in this video that there's a link to our channel. Now, in addition to creating a technology binder for all our sites, which includes how to access your cameras, how to download footage for police, how to use your building access system and access your servers and all of your account information, we also create YouTube videos for these. So you can check out our YouTube channel at helia.ca/HELIA Canada and find just tons of video documentation for the products that we service and the customers, for the customers that need easy access to those things. So great documentation. And a fourth option is we do a tremendous amount of things. So One Stop does it all. We do building access systems for multiple vendors. We do camera systems. We do server. We do internet infrastructure. We do advanced routing, remote access, and we do all of that very well. So if you've got an issue or you are having difficulty finding someone to service your infrastructure that is not very common, we can probably help you with that too. I'm Dar with HELIA. I appreciate your watching, and please feel free to give us a call at the number here on the screen. And yeah, looking forward to chatting. Bye for now.